Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how I put the screen protector to my GoPro Hero 12. And just remind that this is my first time of doing that, so I'm not really professional at it, but let's do it together and let's see can I do it or not. Okay, so we got this screen and this screen. I don't know what is it. Okay, front screen, back screen, and this one camera screen. Guide sticker. Okay, web 1, web 2, remove the dirt. Okay, now let's start with the back screen, and I think web 1, what is it? Oh, it's just for clean. And then try it with this one. Okay, a little bit nervous. I don't know how to do it then. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, I think we input it like this. Okay, and it's gonna work by itself, and then we just wrap it. We'll see this one. Okay, okay, I can do it myself. Okay, for the camera. Okay, and okay, this one for the camera. Okay, just import it. Okay, and then press on it. Okay, this is one for the front. Web 1, web 2, I think I need to. Okay. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how I input the screen protector to the GoPro Hero 12 by myself. And this is just my first time of doing that, and I think I can do it. Just you can see the front camera is a little bit rotate, just slightly rotate for the screen, but it's okay to use. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.